by show of hands, how many people have received a gift from someone close? All right, just about everybody. Now let me ask you another one. How many of you still have that gift to this day and carry around with you almost everywhere? Few. Well, I've been given plenty of gifts throughout my life, whether that be communions, graduations, or birthdays. And that could be a piece of clothing, a piece of jewelry, pictures, artifacts, etc. But there was one object that was given to me that stands by me by every day, and that is this. It's a guardian angel pin, and it says, "Grandson, please drive safely." This was given to me by my grandmother 2 years ago on Christmas Day. And so every year we have Christmas at my Aunt Chris's house, and every year we do Secret Santa. And I was her Secret Santa, and at the end of the night, she handed this to me and said, "Please, Kevin, drive safely no matter where you go, whether it's down the road to work." And I promised her that I would. So 5 months after Christmas, when she gave me this, she passed away due to heart failure. One of her valves wasn't functioning properly, and she passed away. And what this guardian angel pin represents is her. And no matter where I go, and no matter if it's, like she said, down the road to work, I always keep it with me. And I've had this pin in my car for 2 years straight. This is the first time I've taken it out of my car, and it's going right back when we're finished. And one day I plan to give my future grandchildren the same exact guardian angel pin as she did with me.